Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Join our Facebook group and let us know how we can discover Newfoundland. We're on our way down to Cape St. Mary's, and I had to stop and show you this view. Just fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. We've been driving by this for a while now. We're just in Placenta on our way to Cape St. Mary's, and we've seen this boat coming in. The platform of the bridge lifts straight up.
All along our journey, we keep on coming up to these unbelievable views. They are just breathtaking, and sweet little communities along the way. It's been a great little journey so far. We're not very far from Cape St. Mary's, but you can see how narrow the road is, and the barrens. I mean, it is still gorgeous over here.
Good afternoon from Cape St. Mary's. We had an absolutely fantastic drive down here. This is our first time ever here. We passed by some beautiful scenery, drove through some wonderful communities. Just loved it.
The Northern Gannet is the largest of the gannet species. They mate for life, and they migrate back to the same rock every year. And also their babies do the same. They migrate back.
Yeah, I'm really excited to be here. We can actually see the bird rock from where we're standing just behind us, and we can see all the gannets flying around there. I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. And of course we have the lighthouse in the background.
When we were driving up, we saw flocks of gannets flying the shoreline, and we actually see some that have just arrived. The rock is full. You can actually hear them. The gannet usually chooses offshore rock with high cliffs for nesting, and it's easier for them for takeoff when they're fishing. We are like right on the edge here, and the view is just phenomenal. And look at all those birds. They're circling, probably trying to find a spot. I don't even know if they can. Oh my gosh, I'm looking through my lens, and that rock is completely covered. All those little white specks that you see are birds. I am just, in shock. This is ridiculous. Oh, fantastic.
Absolutely beautiful.
Woo! Oh my gosh. They look like little flowers sitting on the edge there.
You can see them all flying around.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely incredible.
It is incredible. I mean, you could sit here and just watch them for hours. The coastline is gorgeous.
Look how many there are. There's thousands.
And they're just perched right on the edges. That section of water is so green. And look at the shoreline. Oh, just amazing.
Two eagles down there hunting. Look at them all over the water. They look like little mosquitoes. There's so many of them. We're so high up.
Just along the path, we come to that gorgeous view up ahead.
That's where we're coming from, where the lighthouse is. Look at that coastline. Absolutely incredible.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, are you kidding me? We're gonna get that close? Oh, we're gonna get some great shots today.
Yeah, we just arrived here to Bird Rock, and it is unbelievable.
Oh wow, they're flying around here. There's so many of them, and on the rock. Oh, I can't wait to get down there.
Let's go get some close-ups.
See, there are so many birds flying over. And later in the year, there's even more, so they're going over your head all the time. Oh, this is one of my favorite places. I just...
So them shaking their head, is that like a mating dance?
That's a courting. They call it, when they put their beaks up, it's called sky pointing.
Oh, okay.
And you'll get pairs there doing that, and they kind of go back
over here, and you had a large piece of grass And he was just sort of waving it at all the others going by, hoping to bring a female.
He said it didn't work.
You said there are mirrors on the water there?
Yeah, they're the ones that look white from here, so the grayish white, that
Yeah.
head of the birds. Can you see them?
I can see them.
They're black, but their bellies are white. So when they're on the water, their lower half is white. And those are mirrors. Now they are not yet, they haven't come up to claim their spots on the rocks yet.
These small gulls are called tittywinks.
Kittiwakes. Yeah.
Tittywakes? You can get close to them here.
Wow, look at that.
It's amazing.
It's amazing that these birds are just sitting on the ledge like that, and they seem so comfortable. There are a lot of Northern Gannets here, but apparently this isn't even half of what normally comes here, so we're a little early. But still, just fantastic. There's a lot of chatter down there, isn't there?
This is unbelievable. If you ever find yourself in Newfoundland this time of year, you definitely need to come to Cape St. Mary's and see these Northern Gannets. Spectacular. I can't imagine being the first person that ever came and stumbled across this. That would have been incredible.
Well, it would have been fishermen, I would think.
Yeah.
Apparently this is the most accessible gannet colony in the world, you know, because most of them are so far off the beaten path and out on point. You can't actually get very quick. The fact that we can walk here and sit right there.
I know. I'm
it's
amazed by
amazing.
it.
What do you think, my dear?
Oh, this is amazing. I've been sitting here for, I don't know, an hour at least. Just keep on taking photos of these gorgeous birds. They're beautiful. This is a great, great day. And I've seen a couple of birds with twigs in their mouths and a couple of them trying to make a nest already. It's a great day.
We better go. We've been here long enough.
That was nice meeting you. Just phenomenal. This is something I would never have thought in my lifetime that I'd be able to see this.
These birds are amazing, the coastline is amazing, the day is amazing.
Yeah, it's been amazing, that's for sure. I think it's going to be really hard to pull ourselves away from this. I mean, this is just spectacular. What a day. I think I've said that before, but man, this is awesome.
Yeah, we were talking before we left that we might get a hike in somewhere after we left here, but we'll probably be here most of the day.
Oh my gosh. They're flying overhead. Listen to them. since we've been here, I think there's more. I mean, look at them behind, flying. The rocks are getting fuller. It's filling up the rocks over on that ledge. Just amazing today.
That one there looks like he's looking for his loved one.
Every time I think, oh, you know, we're done, we should leave. Then I look around and there's more flying in and they're doing their little mating ritual. It's just really something to watch. Man, oh man! Look at that! As they're flying, they're looking down on the rock. It looks like they're looking for their mate. Getting a little noisier now, the more that arrive.
Helen, you think this is one of the most amazing things you've ever seen?
Oh, I would say by far this is the amazing thing. It is the most amazing. So enjoying this, and just, I don't know, it's just unbelievable.
Looks like these little gulls got the crappy end of the rock.
What a way to end the day with this beautiful view behind us, and how incredible to see all those Northern Gannets today. Oh, it was just amazing.
Yeah, that was absolutely incredible. I've seen pictures of the rock before and a little bit of video of it before, but until you're actually there in person and watching that,
Yeah.
it is amazing. After we left the rock, we decided to go for a walk up the coast a little bit, and the view behind us is just incredible as well. This is an absolutely beautiful area. So glad we came.
Look at what we see! A waterfall. Look at that rock formation there. Oh my gosh, it's so incredible. This is beautiful down here.
Yeah, this coastline is absolutely fantastic. Look at this.
I'm glad we took that little bit of a walk over, and this is what we got.
An eagle hunting the coastline.
Oh my gosh. Looks like maybe two. There's one lower down.
Everywhere we
Closer.
go now we see eagles.
Oh man. What a day. What a great day. This is where we started. Looks like there's twice as many birds as there were before.
It looks like there's a lot more birds than when we came. Bye bye birdies. Hopefully we can come back once the chicks have hatched, and we can get some chicks as well.
Yeah, well, it was really hard to actually walk away from it.
Definitely a come-to place.
Yes, definitely. Come and see this for yourselves. It is amazing.